Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can log out of Township on your mobile devices, so let's get right into it. Township is a mobile game which has the point of you building your township or a town, expanding it, adding more structures, getting more people to live in it, and so on and so forth. It is very reminiscent to old games such as Farmville or Farmville 2, if you have ever played them. And it is a very good little, I hate to say time waster, but it is a good game to spend your time if you have nothing smarter to do, such as if you're tired after, I don't know, school, work, and you just want to relax. It is a perfect little game which you can just turn on, just not think about it, and just relax. Now, it is a mobile game, and it is also available on PC, and in this tutorial, as I've said, I'll be showing you how to log out on mobile, so let's get right into it. First and foremost, to play Township, you will need to either log in with a guest account or log in with a Google Play or Facebook account. Your account will be directly tied to your progress, so your progress will be saved. So don't worry once you're logging out if you're going to lose it. I think you might not... I'm sure you won't lose it for Facebook and Google Play. I don't know if you'll lose it for guests. However, just follow this tutorial and you'll see how you can log out. First and foremost, what you're going to want to do is go into the main configuration or the administration or settings tab or service for your smartphone. If you are on Android or iOS, the process might be a little different. However, it's pretty much the same. Now, what you want to do is go into the applications menu in your settings tab, and once you're here, you want to scroll down the list and locate Township. Once you're there, go to Township, and then you want to press the delete data button, which you'll need to search for. If you're on Android, just go on storage, and once you're there, you can just select clear data and your data will be deleted. That's data on your local device. Once you log in back, you will need to select a different account and you will start from the beginning. However, if you log into any of your previous accounts, you will have your progress saved, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys in another video.